Starting in 3, 2, 1. I'll do a quick start. We got unknown Gaskell. We got some cubes. Take the Grand Blitzers. Cut 3 cubes in their collection systems. The Grand Blitzers go to source for cubes. Same with unknown Gaskells. Grand Blitzers get 2. Unknown Gaskells get 2. Get 35 seconds. We now switch drivers. Grand Blitzers grabbing some cubes. Pushing off some reds. Unknown Gaskells get that last red. They both got some cubes in their system. We're going to try to get that last goal.
That's so cool. Good job, Keegan.
With 15 seconds left, let's see if we can get this last minute score again. It looks like the Grand Blitzers are going for a work. Unknown Gaskells. 5 seconds left. 2 seconds. 1. Here on the opportunity field, we have 65416. He must hit forward, 65416.